Hello children, today I will teach you to construct multiplication table PAS. Then we will review later if the level is correct. Makikita natin dito kung yung level niya by horizontal or by vertical, the corner is the answer itself. So we begin now. We write 1 here, but first of all, you must know how to count by 1. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's by 1. By 2 is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. By 3, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, like that. By 4, by 5, by 6, by 7, by 8, and by 9, by 10. By 10 is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So we begin now. We write 1 here, 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We write here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So we begin here by 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here we begin 2. We write here also 2, because that's 1 already. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So here you will count by 2. 2 plus 2, 4. Then plus 2, 6. You count by 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, plus 2, 20. Then here, if you want here also, bibilang kayo ng by 2. 2, 4, 6, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. Okay? Now you are in counting by 3. By 3 is 3, 6, 9. Plus 3, 12. Plus 3, 15. Plus 3, 18. Plus 3, 21. Plus 3, 24. Plus 3, 27. Then plus 3, 30. We will do that also here. 3 plus 3, 6, plus 3, 9, plus 3, 12, plus 3, 15, plus 3, 18, plus 3, 21, plus 3, 24, plus 3, 27, and plus 3, 30. Then you are now in 4. You will count by 4. By 4 is 4 plus 4, 8, plus 4, 12, plus 4, 16, plus 4, 20, plus 4, 24, plus 4, 28, then plus 4, 32, plus 4, 36, plus 4, 40. You will see here, you are counting by 10 here, 10, 20, 30, 40. So you can put now here by 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, then you are now in 100. So you will do that also here, because this part is counting by 10. 40, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Now we go back here by 5. You will count by 5. 5, 10, plus 5, 15, plus 5, 20, 25, 30, plus 5, 35, plus 5, 40, plus 5, 45. Now you see plus 5, 50. Oh, because here you count by 10. By 10 is already finished. So we are now counting in by 6. This part also you can do by 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. By 4, 28, 32. By 4 plus 4 is 36. Plus 4, 40. Oh, from here also 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 plus 5 is 30, 35, 40, plus 5, 45, 50. Now we are now in counting by 6. 6, 12, plus 6, 18, plus 6, 24, plus 6, 30, plus 6, 36, plus 6, 42, plus 6, 48, then plus 6, 54. Here you can do that also. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, plus 6, 42, plus 6, 48, then plus 6, 54. When constructing multiplication table, you are using plus because you are counting. Nagdadagdag tayo by addition. So we are now in counting numbers by 7. 7, 14, plus 7, 21, plus 7, 28, plus 7, 35, plus 7, 42, plus 7, 49, plus 7, 56, plus 7, 63. You can do that also here. 7, 14, 21, 28, plus 7, 35, plus 7, 42, plus 7, 49, plus 7, 56, then plus 7, 63. You can see the result later because this is the multiplication table. Now we are in counting by 8. 8, double 8, plus 8, 16, plus 8, 24, plus 8, 32, plus 8, 40, plus 8, 48, plus 8, 56, plus 8, plus 8 is 64, plus 8 is 72. Do that here also, or just go straight to counting by 9. 9, plus 9, 18, 27, 36, plus 9, 45 plus 9, 54 plus 9, 63 plus 9, 72, plus 9, 81. Oh, our multiplication table is already finished. We will label it here as our multiplication multiplication table. You just remember how to construct it. You count by 1, by 2, by 3, by 4, by 5, by 6, by 7, by 8, by 9, and you repeat the process when the time we construct, then you master it. So the result now is the multiplication table. You see, 1 times 1 equals 1. 1 times 2 equals 2. 1 times 3 equals 3. You see here, 6 times 8, you get the level. The answer is 48 by level. Okay, you just master, but this multiplication you can see it fast when you are in your subject about multiplication table. You construct the multiplication table fast as this. So when the teacher arrive and start to lecture you, you know you know already the answer if she or he asks what's the equivalent of. You see this, 9 times 8. 9 times 8, just take the equivalent. You label it, you use ruler. 9 times 8, you take the equivalent is 72. Just label it using two rulers or anything that you can see like this. So the equivalent is below the corner. You see, 7 times 9, you take the corner, 63. That's the answer. 10 is easy. 10 times 1 is already 10. 10 times 7, you take yung katapat niya like that. 10 times 7, 70. 7 times 7, you take the corner, 49. You already construct the multiplication table. You are already ready when your teacher asks you what's the equivalent. So remember this, okay? 5 times 8, you take the labeled like that. Okay, 5 times 8, you see this one is 40. 7 ay 8 times 9, your answer is 72. Pass. 5 times 6, your answer is 3 down there. 3 times 6, your answer is 18. 6 times 5, your answer is 30. Label it with the column. Okay? 1 times 1 equals 1. 1 times 7 equals 7. 2 times 7 equals 14. Level. Level, okay? 5 times 6, you level it. 5 is here, and then 6 is there. The the point that they are the interception, the point of interception is the answer for the multiplication table. Like 7 times 8, they enter, nagkasalubong sila. 7, this is 8, so the answer is 56. If you have 9 times 6, they form in this direction, like this. Boom. So the answer is 54. 7, they see each other here. Like this. 7 times 8. You move your hand like this. Then, boom. That's the answer, 56. 5 times 7. They move here. Just move your finger. Boom. Like that. The answer is 35. Okay, children? You master it, okay? Thank you for watching. I hope you will master this one. When the teacher arrive on your subject, lecture is multiplication, you construct the multiplication table at once. Thank you, and God bless you. Okay.